paraffin wax. Now, first things first, this blue here, we have had a naming from Mr. Gary Blair, and you will be pleased to know that he would like, very much like, this blue and this blue to be called Skylark's Nipple Fluff. Skylark's Nipple Fluff. Skylark's Nipple Fluff. I think we need to have a chat about Mr. Gary Blair. Yeah, I know. I don't quite know how to bring it up. I just think somebody needs to see him or speak to him or something. I mean, I know. I mean, Skylark Nipple Fluff. What on earth is going on? Just leave it. Just leave it. Any hoodle hoo. Hello, everybody. I've done my last job, official job of the year. You will be delighted to know, and I don't mind telling you I'm feeling as rough as an old dog. Not because I am hungover or anything to do with pleasure. Oh no. I am just absolutely exhausted. I'm exhausted, gang. Absolutely done in. This year has done for me. It's been a very hard term. Worked my little socks off, thanks. Actually worked them off my actual body. Oh look, this looks nice, doesn't it? What? Oh, that's because I've forgotten this. That's better. So not like that, it's not better. Come on, line up, thank you. Oh, look, that's lovely, isn't it? Would you like to name that red, Gary Blair? Seeing as I can see that, you know, you're really into this, so I think you should do it. Now then, what occurs here? So it looks as if what's going in? Oh look, will you look? Will you look at that? Oh, that gets a round of applause. That's absolute genius. Okay. So that's marvellous. That's absolutely brilliant. Okay, that's very good. It's a moving thing, and that is supposed to tip like that, and that up there. All right. Yep. Okay. Very good. Right. Back out now. Now, Gary Blair's taken issue with me. I mean, when doesn't he take issue with me, to be honest? I've got a hat on, I'm just taking it off because I'm uncharacteristically hot. I suspect that's because I'm poorly. Anyway, Gary Blair's taken issue with me over the accent I've given him. I mean, strictly speaking, I should have done Skylark's nipple fluff. Skylark's nipple fluff. Because as we discussed yesterday, we think that he might be, you know, from the Lake District or something. Anyway, he tells me, I'm a few goodly miles adrift regarding the town of my upbringing, he says. If you fancy refining your skills, What do you mean refining my skills? I think you'll find my accent skills are second to none. Really? Who said that? If you fancy refining your skills, try Eastwood. What, Clint Eastwood? Clint Eastwood, Gary Blair? Clint Eastwood. D.H. Lawrence's hometown. I don't know where that is. And then he goes, "Get that a goo. Get 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 that a goo." Well, I'm getting it. I'm getting it a goo. I'm getting it a goo, Gary Blair. I'm getting it a goo. But I still am none the wiser as to where you're talking about. Get a goo. Get a goo. Get a goo. Get a goo. Right, stop it. That's enough saying get a goo. Is it? Or do I need to say it a little bit more? Get a goo. No, stop saying it. Just stop it. Get a goo. Get a goo. Get a goo. I've put that on. Don't even need to put it on. I'm so overexcited about get a goo that I've made a terrible error. Get a goo. 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 Oh God, she's off. Get a goo. Sorry, you can't even see what I'm doing. I'm so overexcited about get a goo. Get a goo. Get a goo. Get a goo. I mean, who says get a goo? Apart from a baby. Get a goo. That's wrong. Very, very, very poorly. I'm very poorly, everybody. Okay? You're just going to have to bear with me today because I am very poorly. I should be in bed. That's what I should be. I should be wrapped up. Oh, look, we know what this is going to be, don't we? It's absolutely a toilet. Didn't I call it? I called it. I absolutely called it. It's a toilet. Thank you. With the system. Thank you. Thank you. They're mad for toilets, aren't they, Lego? Although I do like to see a toilet, so... Oh, you know, yesterday I asked whether this was a oven. It's a barbecue. This is a veranda, apparently. Veranda. Veranda. So ill. I should be in bed. Why aren't I in bed? 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 Oh God, is this going to go on for that? No. It might go on for a bit. I should be in bed. At the very least on the sofa. At the very least. Oh look, that's a hood. A hood, look, a hood above the barbecue. Right, what's coming up now? Do you like the way I'm just spin this randomly? Ooh, spin it randomly. Stop it. Stop it. How many of them do I need? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. feel a bit crazy in my brain, Mr. Graham Triggs. I feel a bit crazy in my brain, Mr. Triggs. God, who's going to deal with her? I mean, honestly, someone's got to. Oh, crumbs. Mr. Graham Triggs, of course, has made a slight adjudication. You will recall this from yesterday, and I said, oh, that's a nice sort of self-referential thing. Anyway, Mr. Graham Triggs said it's not self-referential, He said, the tile is another set in the Creator series, the 10182-1 Cafe Corner. Okay, well, thanks for that, Mr. Graham Triggs. What would we do without you? Very little, that's what. I've got a sore throat. Oh, stop moaning. Everyone's got a sore throat. Everyone's ill. Everyone's got a cold. So just pipe down, Kennedy. It's not like you're the only person in the world ever to feel a little bit poorly at the end of term. Everybody feels poorly at the end of term. Right? Blimey. Whatever happened to, like, just a little bit of sympathy? Shush. Just be quiet. Flipping it. Bet Gillian B's sitting at home thinking, oh, poor Emma. No, she wouldn't say it like that. She'd go, ooh, and I'm outside with me bag. I'm popping round to see ye. I mean, I'm just making her sound like some sort of constipated chicken now. We do. What happened then? What happened then, Kennedy? What was that noise you were making then? What was that? I don't know. I was trying to sound like Gillian B. I was trying to sound like I just feel really ill. God. Good God. I mean, are we going to have to endure this now for the whole of this? Yes. Yes, you are. Oh, super. That's something to look forward to, isn't it? Okay, come on, knuckle down. Knuckle down, dig deep. Knuckling down, digging deep, I'm knuckling down. Knuckling down. Thank you. Lord above. Lord, oh Lord above. Oh no, where's those bits gone? There they are. I found them, panic over. Thank you. Then what? Then over here, I want that. A tui. What's that? Can you hear the rain outside? I've got someone coming round at 4 o'clock. One in. And then after that, I'm putting my pyjamas back on again. I think that's allowed, don't you? Yeah, we think it's allowed. Can I sit on the sofa and watch a film, please? Yes, you can. Yes. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I feel so poorly. I'm so poor. Shh. Shush now. Shush now. Shush now. Shush now. Bevis is, I wouldn't say got the hump with me. I wouldn't go that far. But I would certainly say that Bevis is being insistent. Let's put it that way. He's being insistent. And he, of course, refers to the poo in the ballerina's tights. I think I insinuated that that he had not given me a theory as to why there was a poo in the ballerina's tights, and he's insisting that he absolutely did. And he says, this is what Bevis, Uncle Strawberry, has to say. He says,
the poo in the tights. Zijn er weer misbrie? Zijn er weer misbrie? She shot herself watching you bite the photographer's head off.
I mean, yes, I suppose that must have been pretty traumatic if you're a minifigure, watching someone's head being bitten off that you've spent possibly years in a plastic bag with. So, yeah, okay, you know, I can completely see that might be a little bit upsetting. That's the toilet door. That's the toilet door. Listen to that rain. Oh. I don't know how much more of the rain our garden can take. It's absolutely waterlogged, FYI. And it's more of this is nice. I like this. Bevis also had things to say about the toonie or the twoonie. I mean, he's for a man who is not from Canada, he's being pretty. Oh, we're putting our minifigures in. Will you look at this? Look, baby is going there, and Mum is sitting on the floor. Well, now, all right then. Look at that. Close up. Oh no, please tell me that I've been filming. I may not have been filming any of this. This is quite bad. Well, I think we're just going to have to live with it. Something may have occurred then, and I'm not entirely sure what happened. But there's oh well. If there's been no filming, there's been no filming. We'll have to deal with that via an adjudication. Can you even believe it? I sassed Bevis, and that happened. I mean, it's spooky, isn't it? It's spooky. I wonder when it went off. I don't know. I won't know till I've played this all back to myself. Good grief. He's got voodoo in his bones. Oh, look. It's a little train set. It's a train set. Oh, that's fabulous. That can have a round of applause. Fabulous. I mean, I'm not sure. Look, I did train. I'm just going over in case you've missed all of this. This baby was there. Door's gone in there. Door. Okay. All right. Gosh, I wonder when it stopped filming. It was certainly been after the sassing. can only imagine how Bevis now must be sitting, rubbing his little fingers together, his little Uncle Strawberry fingers.
Ha ha ha. He's going, ha ha ha. The Lego gods love me. The Lego gods love me. And the Lego gods hate you, Emma. They hate you.
Mm. I mean. Okay. Oh, we're putting this in. Little picture. Thank you. Let's have a look at it. Thank you. Thank you. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. No, it wants to be higher up. Sometimes it's easy to get that wrong. Do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Not quite sure where we're up to now on timing. It's hard to know. Might go in on this. Polar bear's called Jeff. You should have a look actually at Bevis's replies to yesterday's build, because he put some lovely pictures that he's drawn. He's a very good artist. Is our Bevis. Very good. What's this now? Well, what's that? What is that? What's it supposed to be? I had to give a talk this morning. I was very brave. I was very, very, very brave. I didn't even tell them I was poorly. Oh, you're very brave, Emma. I know I'm very brave, I know. I think I might be the bravest person in the world. Really? Yes. I think that might be me. Okay, we're going to make a lot of these now. We're going to make 4 of them. I suspect it's all of these. Okay, let's make them. Can't believe it stopped recording. I wonder how long it wasn't recording for. So bad. So bad. Didn't even do it deliberately either. It literally is the Lego gods cursing me. It's absolutely unbelievable. It's unbelievable. You know, you just think, no, they can't. It can't be true that there are Lego gods. It can't be true. Well, it blinking well is true. Blinking well is. I think this was Nappy Squid Brown, wasn't it? Gary Blair. Skylark nipple fluff. I mean, where does he get this from? Where? Skylark nipple fluff. I mean, what's he doing spending his time staring at Skylark's tits? Come on now. Come on now. So poorly. Eastwood. Where is Eastwood? I don't even. I mean, probably should know where D.H. Lawrence comes from, but I don't. Look, it's gone on. Okay, it's gone on. It's come out. Right, I'm making some windies. Making some windies. Go on, get in. Get in there. Thank you. Go on, get in. Get in. I mean, the problem now, of course, is that if I stop now, this might be 10 minutes long. I've got no idea when it stopped recording. None. Absolutely none. Absolutely none. I mean, I sort of feel like we're living in dangerous times. Oh, look. These were those pillars I forgot to put in before. Remembered this time. That's good. Well done, Emma. Well done. Thank you. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks. Thank you. Now, where's that? There it is. Okay. Yep. Where's that going? That's going in here. Yes. Then what? That. I have to stop talking. Thank God. What? Who said that? Who said that? Just shush. Just be quiet. Just you rest your little head, Emma. You just want me to stop talking, don't you? I know it. No, I don't know why on earth you would think that. Making 3 of these. This blinking rain. The garden's an absolute wreck at the moment. It's a wreck. This is how we like it, Emma, when you're nice and when you're nice and quiet. Just be nice and quiet. Okay? I reckon we'll finish this tomorrow. Sorry. Let me just show you putting it in. Okay. Go. So that's nice. We saw that before, didn't we? That's lovely. Right. I think we're going to do one more thing today. And then, if I can find it. There it is. Okay, so do this and then that's it for today. And then we shall finish bag 6 tomorrow. Interesting. Yeah. Oh, poor old Gary Blair. That's not a colour for naming, is it? No. No, it's not. There we go. That seems very badly put on. Okay, where's that going? Oh dear. Oh, it's going in there. Oh, that's clever. Okay. That down. Yes, it is. All right then. That's going to be it for today, and we will finish this build tomorrow, and I have genuinely no idea how long today's film is. That it'll be the great mysterious hole in the centre of filming. But anyway, there it is. And Bevis mustn't